Hello everybody, this is XtremerJay and today we'll do some unboxing for JXD 510W X-Predator drone. So thank you to Gearbest for sending me this drone for unboxing and reviewing. This is a Wi-Fi controlled drone. You can fly this drone using your phone mobile app. So let's quickly see what features this drone has. So here it says it's air pressure sensor. So this drone has the altitude hold position. It can lock the drone height at some point, and you can take and focus more on the pictures and videos. Let's quickly see what other features it has. So on the box it says there's these icons which says about all the features. This one is altitude hold, this one is the mobile application control, this is the video mode, this is gyro, 2.4 gigahertz transmission, headless and one touch return. This is I think the forward, backward and position hold. This one is 360 flips and also has some lights. You can fly in the night. Other than this, these are the barcode scanners for your mobile application. So you can use any barcode scanner and scan these QR codes, and it will take you to the mobile app store where you can download the mobile application. And you can also install it on other mobile devices such as iPad and use these controls on the screen to fly the drone. Alright, so let's quickly open the box and see what's inside. Right, so this box looks like already open. Let's see. Wow, this is a very tightly packed box. So wow, this drone looks really cool. It's a small sized drone. Wow, this is very sturdy design, nice build. And this is the 2-axis camera, so it can change the angle position of the camera downwards and upward. It doesn't go all the way down, which I really don't like in drones, so it should point directly straight down to the ground. It's controlled by Wi-Fi application. It has a nice build, and the size is, it's like just a little bigger than the palm size drones. So I must say it's almost the size of Simax 5C drone. I somehow like this really futuristic design. So it's not like regular drones, but this is really an upgrade from a normal design drones. Other than this, there are usual props, and this one has, this is the Wi-Fi transmission antenna. That's it. So let's see what else we have in the box. So there is this all tape packet where you can see we have some extra props, 4 set of props, a screwdriver, USB charging cable, an extra screwdriver. This one I'm not sure what this is, plastic piece, and extra set of screws. What else we have? Yeah, so we have these prop protection guards, and I guess these extra screws are for the same purpose. Let's keep it here. There's a user manual as always. I'll go over this later on. This looks like okay, so this is the phone mount, and I guess this extra set of plastic piece, this goes into like this, and you can plug it into the controller. And here is the controller. bottom of the box. So this is the controller, and this piece, this must go like this somewhere. Yes, it fits like this, and you can mount your phone on this. Like this. So I'll later on screw and tighten this up, but I'm just showing you how to use it and how does it work. This is a phone mount. You can just set up your phone and mount it for flying and getting the FPV. This is a usual controller, nothing very fancy about it, just the regular buttons here, the throttle stick, the pitch and yaw control, the power on, regular trim buttons. This is the one key run, light switch, start and stop, and headless mode, photo and video. This runs on AA size batteries. Let's see. Yeah, so it takes 4 AA size batteries to power up this controller. We'll check it out later. Okay, so here's the battery compartment. See this small chamber here? Just remove this cover and see the battery is there inside. Let's pull the battery out. Actually, this is the battery. Okay, so here's the battery. This one is so this is a 600 milliamp hour battery. Should give you a flight time of almost 5 to 7 minutes, I must say. That's just my guess. I don't know the actual time, so we'll have to wait for the flight. Let's just put it back. I don't have extra batteries for the controller, so I'll check it out later. But let's try installing the application and see if the barcode works. Okay, so I have a barcode scanner. Let's see if that works. So it's scanning. It takes me to the Google Play Store, and let's see if it takes you to the okay, so here's the application. Let's install the app and see how does it work. So while it's downloading the application, let's quickly connect the battery. So battery is connected. Close it back, and here's the power on switch. Okay, so the drone is powered up. You see all these lights blinking and flashing. I like the lights. See if the app is installed. Okay, so it's still installing. Start the app. So it says connected to the wrong Wi-Fi because it's connected to my internet. So let's remove it from here, and we have to look up for the Wi-Fi UFO. I'm thinking this is okay. Let's connect to this Wi-Fi UFO network connection. Okay, so it's connected now. Let's go back to the app. Okay, so it's connected actually, but I'm not sure how to fly it using just the app. So controllers are on, and see if it works. Wow, so it's working with the application. This is great. I'll do a review later on, guys, and post it on my channel. Alright, so this was the unboxing for JXD 510W quadcopter. Looks like a very nice small size quadcopter. You can fly indoor and outdoor as well. I'll do a review and post it later, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and post comment to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.